Today we're going to talk a little bit about gratitude. This month especially, September, is one that's very special for me. Not only is it National Childhood Obesity Awareness Month, which is important to me. I'm very involved with getting kids active and getting them access to physical activity, but it's also Childhood Cancer Awareness Month, and it is Ovarian Cancer Awareness Month. And of course, that is very personal to me as an ovarian cancer survivor. So it's in this month and hopefully every day that I try to remember what to be grateful for, and that there are so many things. And I think all of us, we have something that we're dealing with every day or every week that's challenging, that's maybe not as great as we would like it to be. But it's in those moments, I think, I have to pull myself back and remember where I was 7 years ago. 7 years ago, I was finishing treatment and still wondering if the cancer would come back, wondering if my son would have a mother. And while that was a difficult time, it was also a bit of a blessing, because I look now and maybe I have a really bad day or something tough happens or there's a big challenge, and I remember that it's okay. I can live in this moment and I can be thankful and I can be grateful for all that I have right now. And I think we can all do that. I hope we can, and I need the reminder every once in a while, so help me out. But hopefully this can be a reminder for you as well, that today, no matter what your challenge is, try to find that one thing, no matter how small it is, try to find that one thing that you can be grateful for.
Thanks for watching Monday Motivation with Shannon Miller. And if you liked this video and want to see more, or you want to see videos on health, fitness, or even gymnastics, make sure to press the subscribe button.